If you're sitting at a day job that you absolutely hate and you're dreaming about one day having a job that you can work at home, where you can set your own hours, maybe wear stretchy pants all day, or maybe just be with your kids more, but still make some money because you gotta pay the bills. In this video, I'm gonna share with you 5 jobs that you can do at home, and more importantly, how you can get started in those jobs today. Hey, welcome back. And if you're new here, my name is Trina. Today we're gonna be talking about how you can find a job that you can do from home. Now, why am I able to talk about this? Well, back in 2015, I was in a job that I absolutely hated. I had been in it for, at the end of that year, it would have been 8 years, I think. And I had my daughter in 2015. And I realized life is too short to continue going into a job that I hated. When I pulled into the parking lot, it literally felt like this black cloud was over me, and I just dreaded doing it. So I decided to take matters into my own hands, and I started my own business. Now, maybe you aren't ready to start your own business and that's not the path you want to take, and I totally get it because it is not the easy route to start your own business. Whether you do want to start your own business or you're just like, I want to do something at home that I can maybe work on while the kids are napping or when they go to bed, you can set your own hours, you can still take them to school. These jobs are going to help you do that. So let's just jump right into these 5 jobs that you can do and how you can get started. So the first one is one that I'm pretty acquainted with because I have 2 of them that I work with, and it's a virtual assistant job. Now, virtual assistants can do a lot of different things. Specifically on my team, I have one amazing person named Erin who helps me organize my client work and make sure people who are joining my course get access to the course. She's answering customer service questions. She is engaging with them in the Facebook group. She's doing some of these things as my right-hand person to make sure everything stays organized within my workflow and my process in my business. And the other amazing woman I have, Paige, she's actually taking over control of scheduling all of my social media. So she's gonna schedule my Instagram, she's gonna schedule my blog posts, make my Pinterest graphics, and it just allows me to get some of these tasks that I can outsource so I can focus on doing the things that I love, like creating video strategies, creating these YouTube videos for you, and just being focused on creating content. Virtual assistants can also manage people's calendar, be their personal assistant, manage their Facebook, schedule their newsletters. There are so many jobs that a virtual assistant could do. And you don't really need any specific training because a lot of this stuff is happening online. And I know when I graduated from college and even when I got my master's in business back in 2010, a lot of these jobs didn't exist. And so there's not necessarily a college course that you can take. A lot of it can be taught online through YouTube videos even. So you don't have to worry about going through certain, qualifications or certifications. Potentially, people who hire you may even have courses for you to take. I know for my 2 lovely ladies, I have programs that I have purchased for them so that they can learn how to do it. I don't have time to go through the course content to learn how to do it. I want them to do it, but I want them to do it the right way. So I bought the course for them to go through so they can start implementing. And I'm not the only business owner out there that needs these types of people. So many of my other entrepreneurial friends are always looking for virtual assistants or somebody to help them get more stuff done in their business. And a lot of the time, virtual assistants are making around $35 to $50 an hour. All right, so here's the important part. How can you get started today? Well, one great resource is the Virtual Savvy. It's ran by Abby Ashley, a friend of mine, and she not only has a program for you to take to learn some of the basic programs like Pinterest scheduling and Facebook community management, but also within her free Facebook community, people are posting job opportunities and looking for virtual assistants who have gone through Abby's program and are more likely to hire them because they know Abby's program is worth it. You could also jump into Facebook groups where other entrepreneurs hang out and see if anybody needs a virtual assistant. You could also start posting on social media and letting people know, hey, I can do this or I want to do this. Or a really great way to get started without any investment is finding somebody who needs help with their business, whether it's a friend of a friend. Does somebody need help scheduling their Instagram? Maybe they have a local coffee shop or a local gift shop and they want to be more active on social media. They just don't have time. Ask them if maybe you could work on that and have maybe a 3-month trial period to see how it goes. Now, I want you to set this trial period so you're not constantly working for free, but you want to get this time in to learn the platform you want to work on, to build the platform to show your results, and to build that trust with your client. That way, when you're ready to ask for money, you can say, hey, I was able to do this in X amount of time. Here's what it's going to cost me to continue doing that. And you potentially have your very first testimonial to provide to other potential clients is saying, hey, here's what I did for this client. This is what they had to say, and here's the results that I got. The second job is kind of a segment of virtual assistant, but more niche, and it's a social media planner. That's basically what Paige does for me. She focuses on getting Instagram posts up, Instagram stories up, Pinterest scheduled, Facebook posts up. She's focused generally on social media. She's looking at, are we posting consistently? She's looking at the traffic that we get from social media over to my website or over to my opt-in page. Her job is to get content out on social media to drive more traffic to our website or our opt-in. I am sometimes writing the content for her. Sometimes she's writing the content. She's finding the imagery to use. She's creating the pins. She's scheduling it all. And that's her primary job on my team. Again, these jobs can make anywhere from $15 an hour to about $40 an hour. And your goal to get started here is similar to like a virtual assistant. You want to see if you have a friend that you can start trying this out with, start playing around with Instagram. Maybe you even create your own Instagram account and you see how quickly you can grow it, or what you post that does well and doesn't do well. You just want to have some kind of testimonial or some kind of case study that you can show somebody when you start applying for jobs or asking people if they need your help. There are also a lot of online courses if you have the money to spend on it. I know Melissa Griffith, she has a great Pinterest course. I know Hillary Rushford has a great Instagram course. There are opportunities out there if you want to invest in a course to learn from people who have done it before. But if you can't afford these programs, you can absolutely start testing and trying for yourself on your own platforms to see, first, is it something that you like? And second, are you able to find strategies or techniques that actually help you grow that platform? And there's always plenty of YouTube videos on that specific platform. Trust me, just search how to grow an Instagram account and you'll have plenty of resources. Another big segment that's been growing that you can do at home is podcast editing. Now, I know this seems kind of weird, but so many people are starting podcasts, and the reason that they're starting podcasts are they just want to do the podcast episode. They just want to talk into it and then outsource the editing and the uploading and the posting to somebody else. Again, there are courses out there that teach you how to do this, but this is one of the easier things to edit. You'll need some kind of sound editing program like GarageBand on Mac, and you can start editing these podcasts, at night when your kids are sleeping, or during the day when your kids are napping, or maybe while they're at preschool. This is such a huge growing segment of the market that so many people are in need of right now. Again, these jobs can pay anywhere between $10 an hour to about $40 an hour, depending on your expertise and how well your podcasts sound edited. You could also add additional things onto the packaging, like maybe social media templates to go with it, uploading it, show notes, whatever kind of package you want to create to make it more valuable to a potential client to make more money from. But I'm telling you guys, this is one that I think is a great one to get started in. Now we're gonna move on out of that entrepreneurial world, and the next work at home job that you could do is online surveys. Now, before you're like, wait, that sounds kind of gimmicky. Wait 1 second. Now, you're not gonna get rich filling out online surveys, but you could make anywhere between $50 to $200 extra a month filling out these surveys. It's all going to depend on your eligibility and how many surveys you actually participate in. So how are you gonna start getting paid to take these online surveys? Signing up on survey taking websites is actually pretty easy and is something you could do as soon as this video is over. From the research that I did online, the best ones to sign up for are Survey Junkie and Sawbucks. No, not Starbucks, Sawbucks, which they actually offer a $10 bonus sign up. So you can pop over there, check out some of those. And again, it's not going to replace a full-time income if you're working full-time and making $25,000, $30,000 a month, but it could give you that extra income so that you don't have to work that job maybe. Another great job that you could do at home in your yoga pants is testing apps and websites. Yeah, that's something you can actually sign up to do. Now, I've tried one of these services before. I used user testing before, and the way that works is I submitted my website to them, and I filled out all these details on the demographics that I'm targeting on my website, what kind of people I'm wanting, like females, ages 25 to 40, married, with kids, and then they pull from their signups, so the people that they have that are registered to test their websites, they give their website to me, and they basically just log onto my website and record what they're seeing and what they're thinking. So they have programs that record their screen, and they have a microphone or their earbuds, and they're just talking out loud what they think and what they see as they look at my website. So it gave me great feedback on whether the website was loading too slow, if they could understand what my website was about instantly when they landed on it, if any of the opt-ins or the call-out buttons that I had actually enticed them to click on it. So it gave me a lot of valuable information from somebody who was looking at my website for the very first time and what their first impressions were. There are many more companies out there that really value this feedback. They want to know how easy it is for people to navigate on their website. And the information you provide them as they're doing this is incredibly valuable. So where do you sign up for this? Here are some of the websites you can go to sign up for programs like that. Like I said, user testing is one that I've used. The What Users Do, which pays $8 or more per test. Enroll, which you get paid to test websites before they are published. Userfeel, this company pays around $10 per test. An Analysis test takes around 15 minutes to complete, and they pay $10 per test. So it's a super simple way to get started with testing apps and websites. Now, if you're thinking you want to start your own business, I've got a great video for you that's going to give you 10 profitable business ideas that you can start and make money here in 2019. So you want to click on this video to watch that now, and I'll see you over there.